My friends, we are entering a new frontier. To win wealth and influence today, you must not just work. You must master the machine. This is your 1955 blueprint for the artificial mind.
Are you exhausted?
It isn't a lack of effort. It's the disease of distraction. Stop being available to everyone. Reaction is a trap. Purpose is a target. Motion is not progress.
Become the assassin. Ask yourself, if I could move only one thing today to break my biggest constraint, what is it? Schedule a block, no phone, no email, no negotiation. Safety is an illusion. Waiting for 100% certainty is just stalling. Decisive leaders jump at 70% clarity and adjust in motion. Hesitation is the ledger of lost years. Willpower is a liability. If your business only moves when you push, you don't own a business. You own a job. Eliminate the motion, automate the behavior, build the system. Starvation breeds innovation. When they say you can't, you turn that into a deeply internalized I must. Connect to your why or you will fail in the middle. Here is the secret of the greats. People do not buy when they understand you. They buy when they feel understood. Empathy is the ultimate high-income skill. Clarity over complexity. If you have to over-explain, you've already lost the sale. If your solution transforms a life, you have an ethical duty to persuade them to take it. The tractor didn't replace the farmer. It multiplied his output. AI is the tractor of the mind master. Master the Xurlat brain and become a 50 times multiplier of yourself. Don't just prompt, contextualize. Give the machine your identity. Give it the exact task and give it the tone. The quality of the output depends on the depth of the input. Activate, accelerate, augment. Automate, feed the machine your voice. Let it pressure test your ideas. And eventually, let the agents run the pipelines while you sleep. The manager reacts to inbound demands. The creator builds exponential leverage. One trades hours for linear income. The other solves expensive problems with surgical precision. The illiterate brain offers infinite scale. The human soul offers vision and courage. Delegate the mundane to the machine to buy back the time to be uncommonly human. Look at the ledger. The highest expense in business is the delay of action. Staying where you are for 5 years has a price tag, and it is millions. Confidence does not precede action. Courage does. The tools have changed, but your potential is timeless. Step into the automated age. Design your future now.